This is the unboxing video of the MAJESTIC IQ-7000 auto folding power chair made by ComfyGo Mobility. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a knife. There are two straps going around the box. I'm going to cut these straps. Make sure you cut upward, do not cut downward and potentially damaging your product. So these two straps are cut. There is some tape holding the box up here. So we're just going to gently cut that. Then the box should open up. Little piece of foam up top, and then from here, this is what we're greeted by. You can see the top of the chair here. Got a little pad, and then you can see the rest of it from here. So from here, there's a few ways to get it out. If you have two people or you're capable, you can slide it out from like lifting it, but it does weigh around 60 pounds, so that might not be the best solution. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my knife and very carefully, again, make sure, check where you're cutting, do not cut into your product, but I'm going to slice the sides of the boxes up, and then I can fold the front end of the box down. So I'm going to carefully go down here and cut upwards, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. There we go. So now what I can do is I can fold this down and I can actually pull it out of the box this way. So from here I'm going to move the box and reposition the camera so you can see a little bit better. So I have the box and everything cleared out of the way. So what I'm going to do is actually, you can just peel this off. And now we have access to our chair. I'm going to peel away some of the plastic. Then from here, you can just slide it off. There we go. Now I'm going to take a minute and clean up some of this plastic, and then we'll get to the assembly of the chair. So next thing I have is we have the joystick right here. It is zip tied in, so I'm going to clip the zip tie, the pair of wire cutters, or if you have any scissors or anything like that. Now the joystick is free. I'm going to take this plastic off. And I'm going to just go ahead and install it in the arm while I'm here. It should just slide in like that. Then you tighten this bolt. Now while I have it down, we do have a little storage container underneath right here. So if I unzip this, this is where your owner's manual is going to be. You have your remote control. You have a toolkit. And your charger is in here. And then this just straps over like this and will secure under here. So from here, I have the chair laying flat. You don't want it standing straight up, but we're going to use the auto fold feature. And what you do, you turn the power on, then you're going to press the unfold button until a single light comes on right there. So I'm going to hold this. Once that light comes on, you're going to press the horn button and it will unfold. But you have to do it while there's a single light. Now, it will not unfold. So you have to do it right now. So here's what it looks like unfolding. I hold this down, I push the horn, it'll beep 3 times, then it should unfold automatically. And then to fold the chair back up, you would do the same thing. You would hold down the fold button until a single amber light comes on the speed indicator, press the horn, and it'll fold down. So one little thing to mention, if you turn on your chair and it does this, starts beeping at you, this means your chair is in neutral. So you'll want to, I'm going to turn the power off, you're going to want to go to the back to these 2 red levers down here, and you want to put them in the lock position. So you should not be able to push the chair freely like this. Lock position, you cannot push the chair. I turn the power on, and I can drive the chair. Another thing is there is little built-in clamps for your cable, so you can mount this joystick cable in those clamps to keep it out of the way. So there's one here. I believe that's the only one. So some of the other features this thing comes with, it comes with a remote control, which I'm going to do a pairing guide on that. We have a little toolkit that it comes with. Looks like it comes with an extra backrest if you want to swap out this color for the standard black. It does have that. Then it also comes with our battery charger. In order to charge the batteries on this chair, you can plug them into the front of the joystick. And I believe you can also plug them into the battery as well. But once again, this is the ComfyGo MAJESTIC IQ-7000 auto folding power chair. If you have any other questions or you like this product, please give us a call.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.